Uh-oh, it's dark in here. Haha, the universe really does bring you what you line up with. Apparently, I've lined up with some darker than I thoughtness, which I'm sure is totally true in all kinds of senses. Anyway, I'm here in the Head Hutt. Oh, hey, hi, there's it's a little better lighting, huh? Um, I've unofficially moved down into the bottom of this mega sculpture that I built myself, and things have shifted a lot. Like it's interesting how our external worlds and our internal worlds reflect each other, and I'm making some big shifts outside and big shifts inside, and they kind of reverberate back and forth. And as I align with new, bigger and better potentials, bigger and better opportunities open themselves up to me. So that's pretty neat. Gonna have to work on the lighting down here, however, for my bedtime vlogs. I was gonna move upstairs where the lighting is really just different, maybe or maybe not any better. By the way, I built this with this is actually the underground part, and this is all like handmade paint, and yeah, I got some videos about me building this Head Hutt Mega-Sculpture, and I am in the process of designing and getting ready to build some Unity play centers that are bigger and better still. Although this is pretty sweet. So I'm enjoying sleeping in it. I am about to fall asleep in it. So I wish you adieu, peace, and sweet dreams.